Pilipinas, narito na ang ating Petsa Sumada nationwide for April 13, 2024. Anyway, congratulations to all the winners of our Petsa Sumada dated on April 12, 2024. At sa lahat po ng magpapasumada ng kanilang probinsya o galing lamang pong magbigay ng inyong resulta mula first draw, second draw, and third draw together with your provinces para natin hanapan ng tamang enter file to make you win. At like itong hintayin every 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. Maaari kayo magpakod ng mga birthdays, anniversaries, ng mga panaginip. Sapagkat ang bawat panaginip ay may kanya-kanyang anonsyo at numero na sa inyo ay magpapanalo. And here we know for our give number ng 413 na ibig sabihin ay pintuan lamang ng mga makakapangyarihan or ng mga politiko. And for our 2024, ang legendaring magnanakaw ng sasakyan or nagwawala sa tahanan. And for our number 4, ay just number of 10, 21. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay binatang may wedding ring na. So why it is 10, 21? Because 10 plus 21 equals to number 31. And 31 is belongs to number 4. And here we know for number 13, ay sa number of 633 na sabihin yun ay batang babaeng tumatakbo or lumilipad. So why it is 633? Because of 6 plus 3 equals to 10 equals to 13, of course. At sa ating number 20, it's number of 1622. So why it's 1622 for number 20? Because 16 plus 2 plus equals to number 20. And for 24, it's number of 1734. Ang ibig sabihin po yan ay naglalandian sa sakyan. So why it's 1734 for number 24? Because 17 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 24. And here we now for the very first lucky number for April 13, 2024. Of course, 10 plus 21 equals to 31. And 6 minus 30 equals to 27. Ang 3127 ay nakahiga sa barya. And of course, here we now for our second lucky number, 16 minus plus 22 equals to 38. And 17 minus 34 equals to 17. And 38, 17 ay napakarami na talagang taong may naglalandian na. And of course, here we now for our strongest number for today, April 13, 2024. 31 minus 27 equals to number 4. And 38 minus 7 equals to 21. So our strongest number for today, April 13, 2024 is number 421. Ang ating 4 ay pwede sa mga 22. Ang 21 pwede sa mga 3. So our strongest number for today is number 421, 422, 21, 3, 21, 22, or 3, 22. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para kang updated. Ako, si Inday Maharlika, nagsabing gising-gising tas about umaga ng paggising as a new beginning of a new blessing. Thank you for watching and subscribe. I love you all and God bless. Subscribe.